Hello. So today I am going to create a basic part. So you will get to know how to create a part. First we are going to file, then new, then I'm going to the part. Okay. And here I can put any name like my first part and then okay. Now here you can see that my part name, that 3 reference planes, and this is blank part body. And on the right side we can see the campus and it's all are the toolbars. So then I will select any of one plane, and with the help of this sketch I am going to sketch now. So this is the 2D interface. So here I can create anything, like for example if I'm going to create a circle, I will select this one, this circle button. Then for example I will click here and this. Now I click like this. Now the circle is created, but because I didn't provide any radius, so it will change by selecting. So stopping this process, I need to take a measurements. So for this one, there is a one more toolbar. This is I use this constant. By clicking into this, I can put any diameter. Like, or if you want to put radius, you can also do this by clicking double click. You can put radius or any of them, and you can change from here. And okay. So now the diameter is 100 mm. So the circle is created. Now I can out from this 2D by clicking this exit workbench button. Now we back in the 3D. So now I want to create a 3D which is related to this sketch. So what I am doing, I am just clicking this one and going to this add button, and now I can provide the length of this circle. So for like I will provide this one 50. This is 20. Just double click. Wait a minute. In progress. Okay. So I will provide this circle. So I'm just going to this command pad, click on that one, and now I can provide any figure for the length like 50 mm. Then okay, and now it is created. So now one more thing I can do by Control Z. If I go to again this one, and here is a multiple option like mirror extend. So with the help of mirror extend, it will increase 20/20 both sides, this one and the below side, after side and forward side. And you can also do in the reverse direction. And this thick, you can provide some limits that we'll see later. So now I'm going with the mirror extend, then okay. So this is created. Now if I want to create any or other thing on this part, so I just click on this one can go to this sketch button. Now I am in the 2D, so I can create one more circle and give the measurement with the help of this constant toolbar. Now for example here I want to do 70 mm diameter. Green line is shows that it is constant, the measurements all okay. Now I am going to the exit. Now again go to the pad, and one more thing we can do like this pocket. Pocket is used to for create like a, we can say, hole. So just 20 mm, mirror extend, review. So this is because upside nothing is there, so nothing is showing to be cutting, but the other side the block is there, that's why it is showing the cutted part with the 20 mm. So this is our part. So this is our basic part, and on the left side in the part body you can see the pad, you can see the pocket, and by clicking on this one you can hide. If you want to see pad and also these sketches, just unhide this one, so the sketches also will be the visible. And if you want to unhide these things, planes, so you can hide this one also, and you can also hide this absolute axis. So this is our basic part which I want to show you how to do. Now I can save this part by clicking on the save button, or I can also save this part by clicking Ctrl S with any of them, and this part will go the extension with cat part. Save. Now it is saved. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe this channel.